Kilominx is a fun puzzle. The way scrambling notation works, first of all, is it's the same as Megamix notation. You hold white top, green front. So you grab the green and purple block and do R++, R minus minus, D++, D minus minus, U and U prime. So you just like, I'll just hand scramble this. Okay, so you want to start by building your first layer. Where you do this doesn't really matter. You want to find probably white. White's easiest to do. So here, if we want to build a layer here, we've got this and this. We can move this around here, put this in, and it'll line up the purple. You can see because it's on the same side, it'll line up like that. This is green and red, and this is green and purple. If we move this around here, we can't just put it in, but we can sledgehammer like that, like that. This one we can just put in like that to line up the yellow. And where's the last? Over here. Insert that. This is one move to solved, because it's the cream red green. If we find one with one move, we can just do D moves to get that in. Blue, red, pink. You can line up the side color like this and turn it in. Orange, yellow, purple. Yellow, purple, orange is up there. You can just turn it in like that. While you're up here, you can also put in some of these second layer corners, second layer high corners, or you can do it after. Doesn't matter. There it is. Green, blue, yellow. I also block built that with this. That was an accident, but if it happens, nice. Oh, in a case like this where you've got these built, you can turn that down like that, place it, and put it back. Now I've got second layer. You can insert this like this, just as if it was the first layer, but with your bottom color being whatever these front colors are. So this one will be light green. Light green's here. You can just insert that. Last layer. We have, I think we can just do corner orientation first. So put it on the bottom, the like DR face. Then you'll do U, R prime, U prime until the grey is solved. Turn the bottom. R, U, R prime, U prime, repeat that. I may have actually ruined that. Yeah, I actually got that wrong. I'm just gonna solve this. Okay, so maybe don't do what I did and hold it on the bottom right. Doesn't matter what's on the top. You want this to be down here, so you go R, U, R from U prime, R, U, R from U prime, repeat that until this one's solved. Turn it. Make sure you do that last U prime, or it'll do what it, and make sure this block is still solved, or it'll do what I just did and it'll scramble your cube. That's done. This is done. It's not solved yet. So we've got a solved block here. We can either do U2 and J prime to solve it in that case, but we can also do R prime, RD prime, R, and then turn it to where it needs to be. So this one's the green pink, it needs to go to green pink, which is occupied by this piece. R prime D prime R, place it over here. R prime D R, place it back over here. R prime D prime R, U2, R prime D R. It's just a standard Megamix commutator. It works on Megamix as well. The last layer you can do that to cycle corners. But yeah, it works on Kilominx as well, since there are no edges. There are also OLL and PLL cases that you can learn. Maybe I'll do a video on those in the future. So I'll do another example solve on the Sheng shell, and then I'll do a speed solve. So these two blues here, you can make join like that. Got these two reds, join like that. Green purple, you can you could insert it normally from here, or you could just bring it over here and solve it like this, also setting up this last corner. This is already placed, one move. Oh, these shades are strange. You can bring this one over here for the blue-green, red-green. Green purple is over here, this light blue. I can bring that up here, turn that into there. I can see that I can easily just insert this second layer corner as well. This goes over here, but you can't just do that because all the rest are solved. I could bring this up here and move into, so that this will be the green face, and you'll turn that down to there. Orange, that's just in there straight away. Now I can insert that one, bring this one out and place it right here. Insert this one with the blue, and corner orientation. And corner permutation. This one you can't do a J-perm. So you'll solve one corner, or two corners. And this one needs to go here, this one needs to go here. So you'll bring this one down, put it back here. This one's over here, needs to go here, bring it back. Have I ruined it again? Wait. I feel like I've ruined it again. I've totally ruined it again, I don't even know what I did. Okay, YouTube is hard. Don't solve Megaminx Kilominx through a viewfinder, through a phone screen. There we go. Solve this. This goes to here and back. So this one goes to here. This one goes to here, and back, and it's solved. Now I'll do a speed solve using this method. I'll try and keep it mostly in frame, but if I don't, I'm sorry. There's a 112 with that method. I usually average like just sub 1, and that requires a few more algs for last layer, but a phone screen, but yeah, it's very easy to be decent at Kilominx. Thanks for watching.